This was also kind of like my last act of service as a Big Law associate. Yep, you heard right.
'Cause I'm your sister and always for you. And I don't know what I'd ever do without you from the beginning. Rio.
Hey y'all, if you can't tell, I'm in New York, and I came to New York today because I am hosting the DC Roadshow at Columbia Law School. And that is a panel of Black DC big law attorneys that go to law schools and basically present DC big law as an option. For a lot of schools, they'll push either their local market or maybe New York for big law. I know that at Columbia, I felt like they kind of pushed New York, and I didn't really know that DC was a good option for me until I went to this roadshow back in 2017. And after I attended the event, it's actually what made me want to split my summer and do half my summer in DC, and it's what made me want to move to DC really. Beyond the fact that I had visited a couple times, I always love the vibes, but to know that also like, oh, it's a good place to be a Black lawyer and like a Black big law attorney. That's even what made me like want to buy that house in DC and lateral to DC. And so really information is powerful. So I'm just here to provide that information and kind of have like a full circle moment. It kind of feels like a full circle moment. Like 6 years ago, I was attending the event, and now I'm planning/hosting the event. It's very cool. So I'm excited to be back at Columbia. I haven't been back since I graduated. Yeah, I don't think I've been back to campus since I graduated. At least I don't think so. And so it'll be kind of cool to just be back on campus. Maybe I'll feel kind of nostalgic, and to talk to the law students that show up and tell them about my experience and meet the other panelists. I haven't met some of them, and kind of hear what they have to say about their experience being Black, being a lawyer, being a big law lawyer, and being in DC. It should be interesting. So I'm in a hotel. My firm is paying for this, and so this hotel is so nice. I walked in and I was like, oh my God, like this is so high class, like the way they treat you. I'm like, whoo. So this is a really nice hotel. I'm about to do some work, maybe get a snack before I head up to Columbia Heights. Dang, what is it called? Morningside Heights. Oh my God, it's been so long that I forgot what that side of town is called. But I am going to, just get some stuff done. That's mainly, there's like one assignment that I want to kind of knock out before I head up to Morningside Heights and figure out the catering situation and host this event. Y'all, so I am Columbia Law School Roadshow ready. This is what I'm wearing, and let me hurry up and catch this lift. Hello. Hi. Are you here for the roadshow?
Yeah.
Okay, what was your name? Okay, Angel. Nice to meet you in person. Hi. Good. Y'all, the food hit. the event went so well, even better than I anticipated. It was a lot more intimate than I envisioned, which was perfect. Like, I thought I was gonna be standing and have panelists and ask all my questions and then ask questions from the audience. And I just thought it was gonna be kind of formal because that's kind of how it was when I went. But it was just way better than that. Like, we weren't even sitting as a panel, we were kind of sitting in the front, but in more of like a semicircle kind of way. We were up close with the students, and so I only had to ask one question, which was kind of like the introductory question and why DC question. And from there, people just asked questions. Like, students had plenty of questions, panelists had plenty of answers, and so it went really, really well. And I feel like the students got a lot out of it based on the questions they were asking. They were asking very specific questions. I can tell it was stuff that they were genuinely battling with or issues that they really had considering like what they want to do with their careers. So I'm just happy that we could be a part of it, and I'm happy that it went well. They liked the food. They were coming up to us after asking extra questions, and so it just went really, really well. I'm really happy with the turnout. I'm happy that all the planning was worth it. This was also kind of like my last act of service as a Big Law associate. Yep, you heard right, but more on that in my next Tessie Talks. I was just happy to be helping Black students kind of make informed decision because there is a lack of information and resources. This lighting is, I want to come back to this hotel. Like, yeah, that's it. Very short vlog. Just wanted to show a little bit, but I hope y'all like this video. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and share, and watch out for more videos. See y'all next time.